What's up, guys? Scott with Screw City Shenanigans. I just stopped by and talked to my brother, the Mad RC mechanic. He's over here.
What's happening, guys?
He is digging out his what?
HPI Baja 5SC.
He's gonna dig it out with his excavator.
The 4200 XL.
So, yeah, here we go. This is gonna be interesting. It's a slow roller. Oh yeah, that shelf looks good. Oh yeah. This thing rolling in heavy. We're rolling in the heavy equipment. Oh, what we got? We got X-Max running in the way.
Yeah.
That's trash. That's trash. Chunk that trash out the way. Oh, we got some operator error happening. Oh, it's getting interesting. Oh, hey, don't scratch my rims now. Oh boy, oh, it's moving. We're getting something done. Oh yeah. Okay. Slow roller. Oh. Oh, now we're gonna get a push on it. I can see it happening. It's coming. Oh, there we go. Oh, get the fuck out of here. Oh, not quite good enough. Oh, yeah, that'll work. Not really, huh? We still need more room. That thing coming out of there, you can see the turn radius. You're gonna have to get okay. Let's see what we're doing now. Oh, the steering, they're giving the steering. Oh, they knocked some tools down. Destruction starting. The destruction is starting. I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to hold up that much weight. You know, what's happening back here? Hey. Almost. Oh, so close. Reposition. Oh, watch out for this church window. This thing breaks easy. Oh, yeah, all tucked in the corner I came out of. Yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, careful. Don't hit this thing. We'll knock the window right out. That church. Okay. Here she goes. Now. Oh. Careful now, she's old. Oh, that's pretty good. Yep, give her some, careful, ease her on in. Back her up. Yeah, careful. Oh, nicely done. Hey, now watch it, careful. Oh boy. Oh, we're going for the gusto. We're picking it up. We picked it up. Oh, go swing it. Swing. Oh, careful. That's a little heavy. It's a little heavy. She's coming out the hole. She's been back there a while. Woo! Ooh, easy. Easy now. That hand-painted body back in the 2000s. Oh, oh, oh. Ooh, that was sick. Dropped her, she's ready for the rebuild. Let's pop the body on this sucker, see what we got. Well, now you can see it next to the DVLXE 2.0 over there. This is the first time we've had it out since we got that one. Size comparison there. Pop that body. Explain to us what we got.
Alright, we got a freshly built 30.5 cc in there. And got brand new rear diff, dog bones, clutch bell carrier, all new bearings throughout it. We gotta put new fuel lines in it, fuel tank back in it. Needs a new battery, some new foams in the tires, new throttle servo, steering linkages hooked up. And other than that, she'd be ready to roll.
Should be ready to roll. You hear that? Look at this thing. There ain't nothing there. This thing is a bucket of parts.
Look at
right
that.
now.
The LED still works.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Cobwebs and all.
This thing used to glow as we drove it across the parking lot. That was great. Alright, so, well, here she is, guys. Stay tuned for the build of this baby. We're going to get her out. We're going to get her going. We're going to see how it stands up next to the Lossy that actually breaks every time we rip it. This one never did.
I beat the crap out of this thing for 4 years, every day, and didn't break nothing but a motor.
Yeah, we ended up breaking. Well, he drove it too much.
Oh yeah, every day.
Put 100,000 on that sucker. Well, she does it, boy. Like I said, we got the hand painted body. We painted that body back in the day. Let's get the caustic in the front. Yeah. Comment, like, subscribe, guys. Look forward to the drag race between this and the DBXLE.